Hi everyone, here we've got POCO X3 Pro, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So actually all you have to do is simply open the recents, and you can do it using two different ways, depends on what kind of navigation bar you've got set. So if you've got the navigation bar just like me with 3 buttons, then you have to tap on the square icon right here. If you've got the gestures, all you have to do is simply swipe your finger up very gently from the very bottom and hold it somewhere here, and the recents should appear. So let me enter the recents, just tap on the square icon, and as you can see here, we've got the list of previously opened apps. If you'd like to close only one of it, then find it and swipe it to the right or swipe it to the left. It's really just use the most comfortable way to do it. But obviously you can close all of them with only one click just by tapping on this X button right in the middle. So let's tap on it. We just got back to the homepage. We've got the info that the megabytes has been cleared. So let's enter the recents again, and here we've got no recent items, so it means that we just successfully closed all background apps. So actually that's all. This is how to turn off running apps in your POCO X3 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.